Now, let me carefully explain how to create a stunning 3D scene from a regular 2D photo, like the one you see here. Now, as you can see here, we have a specific image or photo, and here's what we will do next to enhance it. First, we carefully select the effects, then click on Video Effects, and here we will explore various options to enhance our project. Now let's carefully describe the 3D zoom effect. After that, we click OK to apply it, and then we take a moment to observe the stunning transformation it creates in our image. Now, let's choose any effect that you like, for example, something that truly inspires you. Choose an effect that you truly like, whether it's this one or another, and you will have an amazing result. It's an incredibly cool effect, just like 3D. Everything will turn out amazing, and you will absolutely love the results. Trust me. I think it will be cool. You can simply type 3D zoom and then enter the effects section to explore more. Just add it here, and everything will be saved, even if you want to use it again later. Trust me. Now, in this video, I've explained how to do it step by step. Thank you all for watching and enjoying. Thank you all for watching, wishing everyone good luck, and now it's time to say goodbye.